Welcome to the digital domain of Riley Devereaux, your guide to the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. This is AI Unplugged, your go-to YouTube channel for all things AI. Our journey begins with a simple yet powerful idea. AI is not a futuristic concept. It's here, now, transforming our lives, our work, and everything in between. From voice assistants that make our homes smarter to recommendation engines that know our tastes better than we do, AI is rapidly becoming the invisible hand that shapes our world. So, what's the purpose of AI Unplugged? Well, it's twofold. First, we aim to decode the complex language of AI, breaking it down into digestible nuggets of information. Second, we want to keep you updated with the latest AI tools and technologies, explaining what they do, how they work, and why they matter. Remember the early days of the internet? It was a strange new world filled with uncertainty and skepticism. But look at where we are now. The internet has become an integral part of our lives, so much so that we can't imagine a world without it. We believe AI is on a similar trajectory, and we're here to help you navigate this exciting journey.
But this isn't just about information. We want to make sure you're having fun along the way. Expect a lighthearted approach, peppered with a dash of wit and a sprinkle of humor. After all, who said learning about AI has to be all serious and no play?
To sum it up, AI Unplugged is your one-stop shop for understanding AI, its applications, and its implications. We'll bridge the gaps, debunk the myths, and demystify the complexities of AI, all while keeping things light, engaging, and enjoyable. Let's not forget, AI isn't here to usurp our roles, but to elevate our potential. It's a tool we fashioned to enhance productivity, streamline work processes, and inject a dose of into our global systems. It's the dawn of a new era that beckons us to rise above conventional boundaries, gear up for a smarter, more efficient future. It's an ally, not an adversary, us to re-engineer our world, making it more advanced. So, let's seize this opportunity and embrace the future together. Welcome to AI Unplugged. Before we continue, I have a small request. If you are enjoying our journey, why not like and subscribe to our channel? And when you subscribe, leave a comment saying subscribed. We assure a response. Your engagement grows our channel and keeps everyone up to date. We are pledged, keep you briefed on AI uploading new content 1 to 3 times a week. So please share, like, and subscribe, and let's stay connected. Remember, no one gets left behind in the community of AI Unplugged. Our journey has just begun. Now that you're a part of AI Unplugged, let's take a deeper dive into the world of artificial intelligence. The birth of AI dates back to the mid-20th century, when the concept of machines that could think was first introduced. Since then, AI has evolved into a multi-dimensional field. With various types and levels of intelligence, there are primarily 2 types of AI. Narrow AI, which is designed to perform a single task, like voice recognition, and general AI, which can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. Over the years, there have been several breakthroughs in AI, from IBM's Deep Blue, beating the world champion in chess in 1997, to Google's AI AlphaGo defeating the world champion in Go in 2016. These milestones have generated significant buzz around the potential of AI. That's a brief history and overview of AI. In our next scene, we'll look at some real-world applications. So stay tuned as we continue our journey into the fascinating world of AI. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a tool that's transforming our world in ways we could have never imagined. Let's dive into some real-world applications of AI that are making a significant impact on our lives. First off, let's talk about healthcare. AI has been a game changer in this field. From predicting diseases to personalizing treatment plans, AI is revolutionizing healthcare. For instance, AI can analyze medical images to detect early signs of diseases like cancer, making early detection and treatment possible. Next, let's shift gears and talk about transportation. Ever heard of self-driving cars? Well, they're no longer just a thing of science fiction. Companies like Tesla are using AI to develop them to navigate through traffic, recognize traffic signals, and even park themselves. AI is truly driving the future of transportation. And finally, let's explore the entertainment industry. Ever wondered how Netflix recommends shows and movies that you might like? That's AI at work. AI algorithms analyze your viewing habits and preferences to suggest content tailored to your taste. These are just a few examples of how AI is being used in the real world. From healthcare to transportation to entertainment, AI is truly transforming the way we live and interact with the world. As we step into the future, AI continues to evolve and create new possibilities. It's not just about the present, it's about what's yet to come. Let's explore what the future might hold. AI has the potential to revolutionize various fields even beyond what we've discussed today. Imagine a world where AI can predict natural disasters, help us explore distant galaxies, or even unlock the mysteries of the human brain. The possibilities are virtually endless. But as we advance, there are challenges and ethical considerations we must address. How do we ensure AI is used for good? How do we maintain transparency in AI decision-making? How do we ensure AI doesn't exacerbate inequality or bias? These are questions we must grapple with as we shape the future of AI. In this rapidly changing world, AI will play a crucial role in shaping our future. Will we see AI companions in every home? Will AI take over our jobs? Or will it create new ones? The answers to these questions are yet to be discovered. And that's what makes this journey so exciting. So, as we step into this brave new world, remember, the future of AI is not just about technology. It's about people, it's about society, it's about us. And here at AI Unplugged, we'll continue to explore it all. So stay plugged in as we journey together into the intriguing and exciting future of AI.